Hello and welcome to Sanams Kitchen. Today's recipe is Indo-Chinese recipe, mixed vegetable Manchurian or mixed veg Manchurian. It is really delicious, very tasty, and we are making restaurant style. So let's check what we need. Here I have half cup cabbage, half cup cauliflower, half cup carrot, quarter cup bell pepper, quarter cup onion, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt as per taste, chili flakes and ginger paste, and we are going to add 1/3 cup of maida, but don't add all at a time, and quarter cup of corn flour. We wanted to start with combining these all ingredients and adding little water at a time. We are going to mix this until it starts to form a dough. If you feel that your dough is getting soggy, just add breadcrumbs if you like. Now I'm going to take small portion and shape it into a round balls like this. You can also apply oil to your palms. It will help you make the balls. Now our balls are ready for deep frying. Fried on a medium heat. The oil should not be very hot, otherwise it will be raw from inside, and fry until it's nice and golden like this. And I'm going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain excess oil. Look how beautiful it looks. Now let's prepare the gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onions, bell pepper, ginger garlic paste, and fry it. The heat should be on high. Now I'm adding some chopped spring onion and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili garlic paste or chili garlic chutney and quarter cup of tomato ketchup. Now mix everything well. And in a cup, add quarter cup of corn flour and water, and we are going to mix this and form a slurry. This will help thicken our gravy. So I'm adding this to the gravy, and I'm going to add some more water. You can adjust according to the consistency you like. Now it will thicken and become glossy. Add salt, and also you can add sugar. It is optional. So our gravy is ready, and now I'm going to add the Manchurian balls and mix until all the balls are very well coated, and add chopped spring onion. Look how beautiful and appetizing it looks. Now I'm going to take it out in a serving plate. It is really delicious, and it's very well, it goes with the fried rice. I also have a recipe in the link. Now sprinkle some chopped spring onion on top of it, and beautiful it looks, and it tastes delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll bring you more such easy recipes. Till then, bye bye, enjoy it.